Hello everybody. I recently had my tires rotated, and immediately after that tire rotation I got this really loud chirping at the front wheel. Originally I thought it was a brake pad wear sensor, but this is a considerably newer car than the old school mechanical metal tabs that when they came in contact with the rotor would chirp. In this particular case, this is off of a 2012 BMW X5, and that car has electronic wear sensor. So pull the wheel off to figure out what the heck was going on. And you'll see right here this wear mark. And when they put the wheel back on, they damaged the dust shield, deformed it, and the dust shield was rubbing up against the back of the rotor.
Here's my dust shield. It's actually made out of two pieces. The larger disc, so to speak, and then this smaller part right here. And it's attached at 5 places. There are 2 spot welds here, 1 here, and 2 here. And I noticed that once I got my wheel and the rotor off, I could see that these 2 spot welds had failed. And that was allowing this part of the shield to rub up against the back of the rotor. I don't know if this was damaged during the reinstallation of the wheel or whether just due to age the welds finally broke free, but I have no way of proving if this was damaged during the reinstallation of the wheel. Certainly the cause of the noise. So thanks for watching. If you found this very short video helpful or useful, give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel.